Hey everybody, thanks for coming back for another video. I haven't cooked in a while, so tonight we're out here in the outdoor kitchen and we're going to do some frying. I've got some peanut oil already hot and we're going to make shark bites. This is a bag of shark meat that I cubed up last night, and it's been soaking in buttermilk all night. So it's now all ready to go. And then I have a bowl here of fish fry seasoning, fish fry coating. And I added some onion powder, lemon pepper, and a little pinch of cayenne. And I'm getting ready to fry these things up. So here we go. Take a piece of meat, get it coated real good. And lay it away. So I have the wet hand and the dry hand method here. I'm only dirtying one hand doing it this way. And I'm kind of doing a shallow fry. I could have put some more oil in it, but I'll just flip them around. If you have enough oil in your pan, you can actually tell when the fish is done, the shark is done, because it'll float up to the surface. But I don't have enough oil for that. So I'm just going to have to wing it. The shark bites are done, folks. Now what I made here is some homemade tartar sauce for a dip for it. And all it is mayonnaise with some very finely minced up petite dill pickles, and then a little bit of onion powder, and there's a little dobby of ketchup in there. And all mixed up, and it's very slightly sweet because of the ketchup, but I didn't use sweet relish on purpose, so you get more dill. And let's try one of these. Let's see which one. Just grab this one here, put in a little bit of the sauce. Mmm. Mmm. That's better than chicken. Has about the same consistency as chicken. I shouldn't talk with my mouth full. All right. I highly recommend you try this recipe. It's great. Very easy, quick, and absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. This is Dave. See you in the next one.